Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gray, gothic, romantic style makeup look. I really love a dark, sultry, kind of vampire gothic makeup look, so we're going to try out this look today. So first I'm putting translucent powder all over the lids, and then I'm using a matte gray eyeshadow and putting this in the crease, focusing it more on the outer corners and working its way into the crease, and also creating a sort of wing-like shape on the outer corners. Then I'm sort of darkening the inner corner crease as well. And adding some darkness into the inner corner onto the lid. Then next I'll be using some black eyeshadow in the outer corners, keeping it in sort of that wing-like shape and going a little bit onto the eyelids. And adding some black into the inner eye corner as well, blending it into the gray. Then I'm using some white and I'm putting this in the very middle center of the eye. Then using a clean brush, I am blending that into the gray. Then picking up some more gray, I'm kind of creating a circle-like shape around the white, keeping the white brightest in the middle of the eye. Then using a makeup remover wipe, I'm creating a sharp edge. Then I'm adding some gray and then a line of black underneath the waterline. And then adding some eyeliner to the waterline itself. Then using some mascara on my top lashes and then topping that with false lashes later on. For the lips, I am lining them with black. Then I'm going to blend out that eyeliner going towards the center of the lips. And then filling in the middle of the lips with a dark red. This red's kind of like a dark brownish red. And that completes this gray, romantic, gothic makeup look. I really love a dark look and I think this is very sultry, very romantic looking. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys again soon.